Hey you guys, um, I'm gonna show you about um, my smoke detector. Um, my smoke detector that I replaced into the new smoke detector, the carbon monoxide detector. So, so this is my old smoke alarm that I replaced, and my smoke alarm looks so pretty. It does look pretty. My smoke detector is pretty like Songha. Oh yes, she is pretty like Songha. And my smoke detector that I replaced, um, she's very nice. My smoke alarm, yeah, she's very nice. I know what's her name. Her name is Britney. Britney's a very nice smoke detector. Yeah, I like Britney. You see Britney? She's a very nice smoke detector. See that? And in the back, um, Britney uh um has has a lot of instructions, and in the front, um um Melissa is a very beautiful smoke detector. She's very nice. You know that Melissa, she's actually friends with Songha. Songha knows Melissa, because Songha really likes my smoke alarm because she's very nice. She's pretty, Melissa, and Melissa, she's best friends with Songha because Songha is beautiful too. So yeah, thanks for watching this. Subscribe and you comment